sucks because that's really damn expensive, and this is not an engine that's supposed to do that. I don't know. I don't know. I'm starting my new life. It's surreal. It's a little bittersweet. I'm leaving my dog and my family behind, but I'm heading out of town today. I got the truck all packed up and I'm going south, and yeah, then who knows what. Okay, so 5 minutes after I recorded that, I pulled over because the engine light came on, and that, I believe, is a blown head gasket, which sucks because that's really damn expensive, and this is not an engine that's supposed to do that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
Comes back up.
Okay.
It comes back up.
Great. All right, thank you.
We changed these out before on like a Lexus, same type of deal, and they're underneath the intake manifold.
So it's been only like 5 minutes since I talked to you last. I got all freaked out because I got ahead of myself and jumped to conclusions. I think the truck's fine. The engine light came on, and I checked the oil, and there was milky stuff in the oil cap, which is normal if the engine's been sitting for a while. The car hasn't been running with temperature changes and just from condensation. And I checked the actual dipstick, and there's no moisture in it, which is good, and there's no smoke coming out of the tailpipe, which is also good. And then I drove it just like a half mile down the road to a shop, and they helped me scan the code from the engine light, which turns out to just be a knock sensor, just like an old sensor going bad. It doesn't really matter. So with any luck, everything's fine. False alarm. I freaked myself out. That was not fun. But at any rate, we're on the road, so fingers crossed. I have been trying to find a woman, give her love, God. She lit a fire at night. Would you hop on in this stagecoach, baby? Gonna take you for a spin, oh. Walk down the road, I found a way better spot. See ya. I would not recommend parking on the sand like this unless you've got four-wheel drive with good tires. It's 4x4 and I've got a rear diff locker, so I'm not really worried about getting out in the morning. I got the back leveled a little bit with some rocks, and I'm gonna make some food and catch you guys up with what's going on. So I'm kind of just in a weird, tired mood. It's been kind of a weird day, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna go to bed early and read my book for a little bit. Good night. pick up your trash. It's not that hard. Morning friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Avery. I make van life and travel content here on YouTube. Last night was my first night living solo van life. Well, in a truck, but whatever. So I spent the night at a secret spot here in Idaho, and I'm heading south today. I don't exactly know how far I'll get. I was in kind of a weird mood yesterday. There's a lot of big emotions and ups and downs. I literally have had nightmares about getting the engine light with the head gaskets going out. That would have meant a whole new engine and a couple $1,000s. So fingers crossed that's not what it is. I don't think it is at all. I just got ahead of myself and got all freaked out. But I had the evening to just relax and reflect a little bit. I don't have cell service here, so read my book for a while. This morning I got up and went for a run and did some yoga and had coffee on the beach, which was amazing. And I'm in a much better mood today, so we're gonna just stick with that and get the car packed up and head down. I'm gonna go, I think, stop at a coffee shop for a little bit in McCall and then decide where I want to go. Oregon. Alright, I just stopped at Walmart to pick up some food. Got some hummus and crackers and some sparkly water, of course, the basics. So tonight I'm just gonna head out. I'm heading down towards southeast Oregon, and I'm gonna probably just drive until it gets dark and find somewhere to sleep and then get up and get into the desert. Well friends, that's going to do it for this video. It's been a crazy few days, but thanks so much for watching and hanging around, and make sure to stay tuned for next week's video in the desert. Peace.